Hello baby cakes, welcome back to my channel. It's me Kinshuk and you're watching Quintessentially Me. So I hope that you guys are doing really well, you all are staying safe and staying indoors. Today I want to just go through some of the products that I have used and not liked. So I'm not going to be repurchasing these products and I just want to tell you guys my opinions about these products. I've used these products for at least a week or more, so I was able to form a good opinion about these because using them for a longer time kind of, you're able to see how your skin reacts to something. So today I'm going to tell you guys what I think. If you already use these products and you like them, please let me know in the comments down below why you like them and if these are the staples in your skincare routine. But if you are looking to buy any of these products, maybe I can suggest some alternatives for you which might work, because that's what works for me. So let me go for the first product. So the first product is this Laneige sleeping mask. It's supposed to be a very hydrating overnight mask, and I've seen a lot of people talk about it, but I mean, that's why I bought it. I used it for the first time and I really liked it, and I would use it once a week. But once I started using this product, first thing, it's heavily fragrance. I feel like it just gives you that aroma, like the aromatherapy sort of thing. But over time I realized that this was really drying my skin out, and because it's super fragranced, I don't work very well with fragrance. I mean, I could work with fragrance before. Fragrance did not bother me, but just suddenly it just hit me. Maybe it's because I turned over 25 and that's what life is. But if fragrance is not a problem for you, do consider that this does dry my skin out. A really good alternative to this product would be the Cosrx Honey Nourishing Mask. I feel like that's not fragrance at all and that's very hydrating. So instead of this, I would use that. But yes, if you have used it and you like it, because I do know a lot of people love this product, let me know why. And if you've used it for longer, how did it not dry your skin out? Let me know if I was doing something wrong, because I have really oily skin. I never have dry skin unless like my skin is going crazy. So this is what this product did. And I was kind of sad because I really like the smell of it. I just love putting it on and just my face would smell so good, but I guess I have to get rid of it. Second product that I'm going to talk about is this Korres Rose Makeup Melting Cleansing Oil. So I think I showed this to you guys in my nighttime skincare routine. This is also heavily fragranced, which is okay because it's sort of something which you're going to rinse out anyway. But I feel like fragrance sort of irritates my skin, so I try to avoid it. It didn't bother me that much, but I feel like if I put too much of it over time, it does make my skin very sensitive and irritated. The thing with this that I feel like would not work for other people is that it gets, when you're supposed to like put water and sort of emulsify it, it doesn't get really thick. The emulsification process doesn't make it really thick. I like it to be kind of thick so that you are able to massage the makeup or even sunscreen off your face. But this gets really thin and runny, and so I feel like I hate that when it runs down your hand. I hate that. On your neck, I despise that. So I like something which can sort of hold itself. This one, it doesn't, so you're in a hurry to just kind of get it off, and it's really hard to even get it off. It's kind of like it stays like oil, so it didn't work very well for me. I like something which you can just wash off. Instead of this, if you're looking for an oil, I definitely recommend the Klairs Black Teeth Cleansing Oil. That's very nice. Or if you're looking for something which is slightly less expensive, it's the rice water cleansing oil. I put everything down in the description just so you can click and sort of get to it. I think that's just 750 rupees, and I think that works much better. It is also fragrance, but I've used it for a long time. It didn't do much to me. I don't know if like certain fragrances work for me and certain don't, but I think you should definitely give that a try. Or of course, cleansing balms are really nice. I really like them. Sorry about that. So this one didn't work out for me. Sorry, Korres. Alright, the next product is going to be this one from Este Lauder. Again, something that I think I have already shown you in my skincare routine. This is the Advanced Night Repair, and this was about $98. I know, super expensive. The only problem, it did not have any issue. I didn't have any skin issues with this because I think it has nothing in it. It has this slight cumin smell, which makes me think it probably has an extract or something like that, but I don't think it has anything else. I would mix it with niacinamide and put it on my skin. I guess it maybe is a bit hydrating, but there's lots of serums out there which are more hydrating for 1/4 the price, so I don't think this was worth it. I think this is something that we've seen our mothers or grandmothers use, and we just feel like it's that luxury product that we need in our skincare routine. But trust me, it's 2020, we have a bunch of options that we can use, and this one just didn't do it for me. I think it has antioxidants and something like that. Didn't work for me. I think you can do better. So I'm not going to be spending my money on this because I think it's 10,000 rupees. Definitely not worth it. Okay, my fourth product is going to be something which I'm slightly scared of talking about because I know how much people love this product, and this is the Glam and Glow Super Mud clearing treatment. This is supposed to just be like a mud mask, and it's supposed to just suck out all the impurities. I bought this because I saw such promising reviews for this. Everyone was like, wow, it cleared out their skin, their acne and blackheads. This is just a regular mud mask. I think you can just use the Este healing mask. I think you get it on Amazon. Mix it with apple cider vinegar or water, whatever suits your skin. If you have sensitive skin, of course, just use it with water. But that does a great job as well. It's just supposed to like take off all the impurities from your face. So yeah, this thing is like pre-mixed, so you don't need to like mix it up and, you know, get your bowl out and stuff. But other than that, I think it's really expensive. I think it was 25 bucks. I'm not sure. I'm going to put the price down or somewhere in the video. It was not worth it for me. So I got really small one, and actually I was really surprised how small it is, like just this much. I mean, it looks like, wow, it's big, but it's nothing. And I don't know, I just didn't feel it was worth it. Okay, the last product that I'm going to talk about today is going to be the Fresh Rose face mask. And this is, I kind of debated. I went back and forth that do I really want to include this because it didn't do anything bad for me. But I was like, yeah, I'm not going to rebuy this because this was something that I just reached out lesser and lesser over time from my skincare shelf. Like it's supposed to hydrate and tone, but I mean, I didn't see any benefit. It has these tiny rose petal chunks, and it had this really nice rose scent, which I think you can appreciate, but it didn't do much more than that. I definitely think there's more products out there that could be better, and there's nothing wrong in doing a mask. Just, you know, you're having this self-care day, you want to put on a mask, go for it. But I don't think this is really worth the money. I'm not sure how much this was, but I don't think it's really nice. So I would recommend, again, face masks are not really necessary. You could completely skip it. The mask that I usually do is a clay mask once in a while, or yeah, that's it. I don't really use many masks because I feel like it's kind of useless. I just moisturize well. Oh, I do use the AHA BHA peeling mask, whatever that's called, by The Ordinary, once a week, once in 2 weeks, but that's about it. So I don't really use many masks because I think it's kind of, I mean, it's just something that you can do. Just, you know, if you're feeling yourself, you have like an hour to just take care of yourself, great, go for it. Like if you want to buy this or something like this, great, but otherwise you don't need it. So if you're trying to save money, I think you can skip this product. So I think that's it. These are my 5 products that I tried and I didn't really like, so I'm not going to be rebuying them. Of course, if you like them, let me know why. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, please give me a thumbs down, just so I know the kind of content you're looking for. And if you have any recommendations for the kind of video that I should do, please let me know in the comments down below. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.